This is a 3D drawing, dynamic drawing coming out from your CAD/CAM. So we're importing data coming out from your CAD/CAM and we're displaying what has been built from the engineer directly inside of Production Assistant. It's a 3D dynamic drawing that you can play with it. You can also highlight the items to know where the part belongs inside of the product. You can even hide the item, like let's say in this case the door, to see the interior of the product that you have right here inside the project. So the key is to help the assembly to go down the line. Other little aspect, once I scan my part, I'm able to get the empty bin of the item that we just did. So once everything is empty inside of that cart, we know that the cart can go back to the new sorting area, so they have a new cart to sort their items. Finally, when an item is complete, we do have the possibility to print out, if needed, a product label of the item. The product label can be printed out manually or can be printed out automatically depending on what we want to do inside of our project. So the product label can go on his item and be followed up for the other station that he needs.